This is the lake.
And unfortunately, my cell phone camera shut down on me. So, let me share a little bit of backstory. For the past 4 days, we have been traveling across Sikkim. We started our Sikkim trip on March 13 and traveled from New Delhi to Pelling via Siliguri, then from Pelling to Gangtok, and from Gangtok to Lachen.
Hi everyone, this is Ayan. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are safe and healthy. And today is day 5. और आज के दिन का स्पेशलिटी ये है कि हम लोग जाएंगे गुरुदोंगमार लेक. It's right now 6:45 in the morning. गाड़ी में सामान लोड हो चुका है और बस चाय पी के निकलते हैं. So all set to hit the road again.
The distance between Lachen and Gurudongmar Lake is 66 km and elevation gain is very rapid. Lachen, which is situated at an altitude of 8,500 feet, and Gurudongmar Lake is at 17,800 feet. Thus, there is a rapid elevation gain of 9,300 feet within a matter of just 66 kilometers.
So we just stopped here for a quick photo shoot. जितनी भी दूर आप देखें आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्नो दिखेगा. We are on the way to गुरुदोंगमार लेक और राइट नाउ मेरे आईफोन के अल्टीमीटर बता रहा है कि वी आर एट 3,470 मीटर्स विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 12,000 फीट. एक चीज़ जो और देखने को मिला है वो है चेंज ऑफ वेजिटेशन. जब हम चले थे तो वहाँ पे सभी प्रकार के ट्रीज़ थे और धीरे धीरे हम लोगों ने बहुत रैपिडली हाइट गेन किया है. सो अभी यहाँ पे कॉनिफेरस वेजिटेशन हो गया है और आपको देखने को मिलेगा जैसे जैसे हम लोग और हाइट गेन करेंगे वेजिटेशन ही गायब हो जाएगा और बेसिकली यू विल सी बैरन रॉक्स. फोटोशूट के बाद वापस चलने के लिए तैयार. We just stopped here for a quick breakfast. Now leaving towards the lake.
And at this point, the road became slippery due to ice.
It looks like a major setback. यहाँ पे रोड पे आइस के कारण आगे नहीं जा पा रही है गाड़ी, तो लग नहीं रहा कि हम लोग गुरुदोंगमार लेक पहुँचेंगे. I am utterly disappointed with the whole thing. But क्या करें? Nothing is bigger than the nature. 15 मिनट बाद अभी लगता तो है कि आगे जा पाएंगे लेकिन अभी भी बहुत दूर है लेक. सो चलते हैं, देखते हैं आगे कितना दूर तक जा सकते हैं और नहीं तो वहाँ से वापसी. और क्या होगा.
So we were permitted to continue the drive, and shortly thereafter we reached Cafe 15,000.
Standing at 15,000 feet, it's bright and sunny. So drinking coffee at 15,000 feet. It's a army-run cafe, so it's the highest cafeteria of this area. Permit भी आ चुका है, तो अभी निकलेंगे.
It is always advisable to spend some time at Cafe 15,000 as it is extremely important to acclimatize before the final ascent to Gurudongmar Lake.
Finally we have reached Gurudongmar Lake. विंड चिल की वजह से हालत ख़राब है बॉस. We are trying to go down to the lake right now. बहुत धीरे चल रहे हैं. The air is very thin up here. The water is pristine clear, as if it's potable. वैसे मैंने तो स्नो एक्सपेक्ट किया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो स्नो का दूर दूर तक नामो निशान ही नहीं है. So which is also one of the saving grace. अगर स्नो होता तो यहाँ तक नहीं आ पाते हम लोग.
The thin air makes it difficult to breathe, and it is very common to show symptoms of altitude sickness. Some of the symptoms are dizziness, nausea, headaches, and shortness of breath.
This is the lake.
I felt mild symptoms of shortness of breath, nausea, and lack of appetite. However, these symptoms went away on their own once we descended to a lower altitude. It was amazing to walk beside the lake. The high mountains, the cloud-covered peaks, and the gust of cold wind acted like a complete package, as if nature was at its best. The clear skies were the saving grace for this entire duration of the stay. And it's finally time to bid goodbye to Gurudongmar Lake, which will always remain as a fond memory. We started our journey towards Lachung, feeling melancholy while appreciating the beautiful scenery around us. On the way, we reached Lachen. However, we did not stop for lunch and continued our journey towards Lachung. We stopped at Chungthang for a quick snack break, and by now I was feeling a lot better. I must admit, the road situation from Chungthang to Lachung was quite nice, and the drive was therefore quick. We reached Lachung a little after 5:30 p.m. and since it was a long and tiring day, we grabbed an early dinner and retired for the night so that we are fresh for our next adventure.